Okay, here's a novelty item for those of you who've been watching my YouTube videos. Something I got a couple of years ago. There's a railway crossing thing. Very flexible, bendable foam boom gate arm. Got a plastic base here, you can fill it full of water or sand or whatever. Plastic mast on it. There's a little sensor here, movement sensor. Little power LED by the looks of it. As I turn that around, you'll see up here the speaker. The on off, English, French and Spanish mode. And when you hear the English translation in Spanish, it has a very peculiar sound to it. So yeah, a little bit dusty at the moment. First time I've had it out in a good couple of years. Amazing the battery still works in it. So yeah, let's switch it on. Let's sit and flash the lights like this for a short while. Yeah, the green lights come on.
The train is crossing. Stay clear of the tracks.
Okay, so with the demo over and done with.
The train has passed. You're clear to go.
In Spanish now.
El tren está cruzando. Permanece lejos de las vías.
That was in Spanish. And then French. They picked up the camera movement here, so.
Le train passe. Écarte-toi des rails.
So in French, it sounds like it says cuts the drugs in half. I bet you want to rewind the video and play it back.
Le train est passé. La route est libre. Vas-y.
Okay, bit of movement here, I'll set it off. I will do. There's the sensor again. Okay, there we are.
Le train approche. Après de toi à t'arrêter.
Okay, so here's a replay on the French.
Passage à niveau, sois prudent.
no being missed. Oh well, never mind. If you missed it, there we go.
Voici le train qui arrive.
I'm not sure I'll switch that off now. It gets annoying after a while. See ya.